Here we go, solving equation by multiplying and dividing. It's not unit 1, ignore that. All right, so division and multiplication are inverse operations, which means you can like undo multiplication with division and vice versa. You can undo division with multiplication. So if you look at the first example here, 5x equals 20. Remember, this is 5 times x equals 20. If we divide both sides by 5, we get x by itself, and then 20 divided by 5 is 4. Remember back on the last video with adding and subtracting, you can put that line between, there we are. Remember, you can have like a straight line through the equal sign, and whatever you do to the left side, you have to do to the right side. So just remember that. So another example there, you can see is negative 4x equals 28. So with that, you would divide by negative 4. And remember, a positive divided by a negative is a negative. So 28 divided by negative 4 is negative 7. Don't forget to put those negatives. Many times students will forget to put the negative and end up getting the wrong answer. You have to divide by that negative to get x all by itself. Some equations, sorry, I can't see what I'm reading here, can be solved by multiplying each side by the same number. That's called multiplication property of equality. So you can see we have x over 4, which is the same as divided. Remember, a ratio or a fraction is the same as dividing. So we multiply by 4 on both sides, we get x to be 20. And if it's a negative, remember to multiply by the negative number. In this case, 9 times a negative 3 is going to be a negative 27. Try some examples. So try all 4 of these and then come back to check the answers. Again, pause this video and then come back. Here are the answers. Welcome back. You can see that on number 1, you would divide both sides by 3 to get negative 5, because negative 15 divided by 3 is a negative divided by a positive, so it equals a negative. The next one, you multiply by 2 on both sides to get 20. On number 3, you divide by negative 7. So we have a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. So that's how we get positive 7 for K. Then on number 4, you'd multiply by negative 4. Again, a positive times a negative is a negative. So that's negative 40. All right, we'll go over stuff in class tomorrow with some more examples. Hopefully you're getting this great. If you're not, please let me know. You do need to do more practice. If you don't understand this, the way to learn math is with more practice. That way it becomes a habit for your mind. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.